List of utensils and tools in the kitchen. 1. Apron. 2. Blender. 3. Bottle. 4. Bottle opener. 5. Bowl. 6. Butter knife. 7. Slicer. 8. Chopsticks. 9. Cleaver. 10. Colander. 11. Corkscrew. 12. Cuff. 13. Cutlery. 14. Cutting board. 15. Deep fryer. 16. Egg slicer. 17. Fork. 18. Funnel. 19. Garlic cruiser. 20. Gas stove. 21. Grater. 22. Hot pot. 23. Jar. 24. Jug. 25. Juicer. 26. Kettle. 27. Kitchen paper. 28. Kitchen scissors. 29. Kitchen towel. 30. Knife. 31. Knife set. 32. Ladle. 33. Lemon squeezer. 34. Matchbox. 35. Measuring cup. 36. Microwave. 37. Mixture. 38. Mortar. 39. Mug. 40. Napkin. 41. Oven gloves. 42. Pan. 43. Peeler. 44. Peppermill. 45. Perforated spoon. 46. Pestle. 47. Pizza cutter. 48. Plate. 49. Tomato smasher. 50. Pressure cooker. 51. Refrigerator. 52. Rolling pin. 53. Serving bowl. 54. Sieve. 55. Spatula. 56. Spice box. 57. Teaspoon. 58. Thermos. 59. Toaster. 60. Tongs. 61. Tray. 62. Wash basin. 63 whisk, 64 oak, 65 wooden spoon,